I'm going to show you how you can get BeamNG Drive on your PC. Now, BeamNG Drive is available from two major retailers, Steam and also Epic Games. So you just have to pick either one of those. So if you want to go with Steam, then go with Steam. If you want to go with Epic's Game Launcher, then go with Epic's Game Launcher. If you go with Steam, all you have to do is that you have to go to the search bar up here, and then you have to search up BeamNG Drive like this. Just tap on BeamNG Drive here. Now, BeamNG Drive is about $10. It's not free, so you will have to pay, but $10 is pretty cheap, honestly. And you can see this is here, buy BeamNG Drive. If you want to buy, just tap on this green button here to add to cart and then continue with the buying process. If you want to buy it on the Epic's Game Launcher, just go to the Epic's Game Launcher like this, and then you want to go to the search store here, and then you want to search up BeamNG Drive. Just tap on BeamNG Drive like this, and then just tap on buy now. And you can see, if you notice, BeamNG Drive is actually cheaper on the Epic's Game Launcher, although the Epic's Game Launcher does have its con compared to the Steam launcher. So pick which one you want, either a more expensive one, although not that much expensive, but a better launcher, or a cheaper one, but not a very fully developed launcher as well. Nevertheless, you can get BeamNG Drive from either one of these retailers, either Steam or Epic's Game. It's up to you which one you want to use. In the end, you're actually just getting the same game, just from different retailers.